Hi guys, the shop we are doing now is Zoey.in. It's a kid shop and this is our first kid shop. So you will find here all the baby need products like the baby carrier nest, cute cushions, backpacks, bedding set, muslin blanket, full decor for your newborn, cotton toys, quilts. So this is their homepage. Baby bedding quilted with love. So let's check out their products. Look at these beautiful quilts. These are very cute. Giraffe elephant quilt, tiny fishes quilt, pink moonstar muslin quilt. These are the baby carrier nest, like the baby carrier bedding. These are very cute colors, light subtle colors. Baby bedding sets. The colors are very beautiful. The swaddle sheets, sleeping bags for babies, muslin blankets, cute muslin blankets, muslin hooded towels. These are crib sets, cotton toys, for newly born. These are all cute baby products. Cushions, star cushion, cloud cushion, TP pillow. These are alphabet cushion. Playmats for your newborn. These are the bunting, like the wall hanging for the kids. And these are all cotton. So these are soft. The storage bin for their toys, their clothes, diaper bags if you're traveling with your baby. These are the baby toiletry bags for the little knickknacks, traveling pouches, and these are very cute. Wow. I mean, you don't have to be a baby to have these, right? These are the backpacks for the kids. Yes, let's check out the products. So this is the quilt, Tiny Fishes quilt. It's pure cotton and reversible, and it's tested for color fastness so the color won't bleed out. The pillow is not with the quilt, guys, so you have to purchase it separately. Check the dimension of the quilt before ordering. It's made out of 100% cotton, hand quilted pink moon star muslin quilt. Very soft material. So it's organic muslin and reversible and tested for color fastness and can be washed by mom and dad. Share the look. Very nice. The quilt is lightweight and suitable for moderate weather, and it's pure muslin with 100% cotton filling. Cute baby carrier nest. So again, super soft baby carrier nest. It's 100% cotton with fiber filling and can be washed by mom and dad. Share the load. So it's for age group newborn to 5 months. So I guess that is also because of the size. Please wash the product before use. Machine washable. Do not bleach. Use mild detergent. Take care of this. Nature White bedding set. So it's a bedding set for the cute baby when they're sleeping. Please wash before use. So the bedding set only has a mattress, quilt, a bolster and a pillow. So which is made out of pure cotton, and the quilt is reversible. So all the products here are tested for the color fastness, so the color won't bleed out, but please make sure to wash before using the products. Very cute pink polka dot bedding set. So cute. Swaddle sheets. So the swaddle dimension is right here. So the material used is pure cotton muslin, and these are set of two swaddle cotton sheets. These are soft and gentle on your baby's skin. Happy Dreams sleeping bag to keep them warm. Please check the height. Please check the dimension before ordering. It is suitable for kids for 0 to 18 months, and the product used is premium hosiery cotton fiber filling, and it is washable as well. Desert Flora sleeping bag. So this one is pure cotton, not filled with fiber, and it is available in three sizes for 0 to 6 month, or 6 to 18 month baby, and 18 to 24 month baby. And these are washable. Please wash before use. So you can select the sizes you want. Muslin blanket, reversible. Hooded towels, not reversible but made out of organic muslin, so these will be soft for your newborn. So these are the cot bumpers into the woods, made out of pure cotton, and the padding is 100% polyester. So there's no plastic used in these. These are all reversible, and these are all machine washable. Cotton toys for your newborn. So there are no other description. So these are all washable. These are all pure cotton. Mermaid cushion filled with fiber. Pink star moon cushion. Check the dimensions. So the prices are inclusive of the taxes and shipping, so you will not have to pay shipping charges again while ordering products. Cross and dot playmat. Bunting for your kids' decor, 100% cotton and reversible. Quilted grey round storage bin. So these are storage bin and quilted and 100% pure cotton for your kids' knickknacks. Diaper bags, pure linen cotton padded, fiber filling, and it's machine washable. Pouches, travel organizers for your baby. Check the dimensions. Pouches, again baby pouches for baby toiletries, made out of 100% cotton and machine washable. Teacup pouch. Pure cotton backpacks with no plastic lining. So these are available for 1 to 2 year kids and 2 to 4 year kids. So the sizes will be a little different. So now let's check out their contact details. So they're based out of UP and they have provided the phone number and their email ID on their contact page. Also, there's a chat bot right on the right below of all the pages, so you can contact them directly from here. And the shipping and returns. So the products are delivered within 6 to 12 working days. And about the return policy, they only accept return if there's a manufacturing defect. Apart from that, they only offer exchange. So you'll have to write to them at connectjoey@gmail.com. You can also cancel the product, but before it is shipped. So you can either call them or again mail them at connectjoey@gmail.com. Let's check out their social media pages. The Facebook handle is connectjoey. They have provided a phone number on their Facebook page. You can directly shop from their Facebook page as well, but to pay you will have to come back on the website. So they are quite active on Facebook. Let's check out their about section. So again, they have provided a phone number and an email ID in their about section. Instagram. Connect Joey is their Instagram handle, guys. Please go and follow them to check out their beautiful pictures and babies. That's it, guys. That was Joey.in, our first shop for newborn babies, and we all love them. I hope you like the shop. I hope you shop from this online shop, and if you do let us know your shopping experience with them. Also, if there's another shop you want me to go through like this, please let me know. Also, if there's anything you're searching to buy online and you're not able to find it, please let me know. Write down it in the comments. I may be able to help you with that. Also, please subscribe to my channel and see you soon with another shop. Goodbye.